big yad. Big yad. That's so, ano na siya, guys. It's a very cool water. Oh my God. So, we will try to drink it. So, you know, guys, I am so thirsty. Uhaw na uhaw. So, mainom ko, guys. Hmm. Hmm? Inom ako, guys. Limpyo ni. Limpyo, gina siya, guys. Inom ko. Hmm. Hmm. So, it's very clean, guys, ha. Kaya wala may tao dito sa ibabaw mo nang inom ko direct. It's a very clean water. So, we need to be worried about this.